Course dictation 5 second. Ready, start. Under the second proviso, a new threshold has been declared for an allotee to move an application under Section 7(4), triggering the insolvency resolution process under the code scope. The threshold is the requirement that there should be at least 100 LOTs to support the application or 10% of the total LOTs, whichever is less scope. Moreover, they should belong to the same project scope. Almost all except in two petitioners, the petitioners also had under the erstwhile regime which permitted even a single allotee to move an application under Section 7 filed petitions singly or with less than the number required under the proviso, and they are visited with the provisions of the third proviso, as per which such of those applications under Section 7 which had not been admitted would stand withdrawn within 13 days if the newly declared threshold of 100 LOTs or 10% of the LOT, whichever is lower, was not generated by the applicant applications stop. In some of the petitioners are money lenders, that is, they have stepped in to provide finance for the real estate projects stop. They are also visited with the requirement which is imposed upon them under the first impugned proviso, which is one similar lines as those comprised in the second proviso stop. Then there is no doubt Section 32A, which stands impugned by the creditors and LOTs stop. The code was enacted in the year 2016 stop. It is one of the most important economic measures contemplated by the state to prevent insolvency, to provide last mile funding to revive allowing businesses maximize value of assets of the entrepreneurs, balance the interest of all the stakeholders, and even to alter the order of priority of payment of government dues stop. The code is divided into 5 parts stop. The first part is shortest portion stop. Part second deals with what we are concerned with in these cases, and it purports to deal with insolvency resolution and liquidation for corporate persons stop. Corporate person has been defined in Section 3 within bracket 7 as follows. Corporate person means a company as defined in clause 20 of Section 2 of the Companies Act 2013, a limited liability partnership as defined in clause of subsection 1 of Section 2 of the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008, or any other person incorporated with limited liability under any law for the time being in force, but shall not include any financial service provider stop. We may notice that Chapter 2 of Part 2, which consists of Section 6 to 32, deal with the corporate insolvency resolution process stop over.